In our company, it's that team effort that gives everyone an experience they want to share. We try to go the extra distance every time. And now our efforts have been repaid with this fantastic 5-star review. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile. Knowing that everyone is happy is our strongest motivation. We believe that our future success comes from our success today, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services sometime soon. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Experience our service and you'll be amazed. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.